Hold on. Hold on. Never mind. I was gonna sneeze, but. Should I be quiet or should I scream? I'm just gonna be quiet because it's night. Hello, guys. I don't normally do these. Oh, did you get it? Bro. Did you get in my saver at the last second, bruh? Bruh, how did you get? Yeah, I'm just gonna fight with it. Nothing wrong. Alright. I'm here for my appointment. Hold on, I didn't sound no one in my house. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. Everyone. This place gives me the creeps. Good, that's how I want it. Boom! Boom! Stomachache. How can you get a stomachache? Alright. Done with that. Alright, he's already taking care of it. Alright. Alright. I got room 2. Alright, come here, boy. I keep hearing whispers down the hall. Well, I keep seeing shadows in my room. Alright. Alright! How do you like me jumping on your belly? When you have a literal... Oh, dried ice. That means... Alright, dried ice. Hey, bro. Why do you get dried ice? Like, can't you just buy, like, eye droplets? Why do you need to come to the damn hospital for dried ice? Oh, doctor's coming. Like, can't you just buy the damn medicine by your damn self? Like, what do you need to go to the damn hospital for? Hospital. Forget it. I'm just gonna say animal. I'm just gonna stick up with the fit for now. I'm just gonna call it the fit. Like, that's a word for animal animal fit. I'm just calling that fit. Like I was saying. Nope. You're not coming in. Nope. The lights came off. Hey, coffee ready. Okay, myself. Oh. Nah, no, shut the gate. I got it. Oh, you're banging on the window. Give that to the... Sorry I had to go pay to win, but it's the only choice. You drank all the coffee. You better not ask. Oh, he's not gonna ask him. Alright, buy the coffee quick. Alright, give the coffee. Wait, what is that? You're just frozen in animation and you stand back up. Being small has an advantage. What is the advantage? I hear things. I see things. I keep seeing shadows in my room. It's a dangerous job. Right, buddy? Being a dangerous job? Nah. Not gonna shoot you. You're too fucking. Alright. Let me see the picture. Is it even possible for this guy to become an anomaly? Because every time I see him, he never is an anomaly. Something isn't right about this place. Oh, something isn't right about this place. There's not a fucking McDonald's food court in here. You're a ghost. He's a ghost. He's a ghost. Oh shit. A ghost. What the? Bro. Flu, bro. You have the flu, bro. You came to the vet for flu, bro. Go to the doctors for that shit. Something isn't right about this place. I'll take your job, buddy. I love being a security damn guard or secret agent. I meant I get to shoot people for my own fun. You are normal. You sussy imposter. You sussy imposter. No one is a sussy imposter in my world. Alright, hello. I'm serial killer, huh? I really need to change that name so fast, bro. Alright. One patient. Oh, no. Should I put him in the trash or? Oh, someone went invisible. Where could that guy? What the? There's a patient need to be treated where? Where is he? Oh, he needed. Oh, knee. The honey's right here, bro. I'm like, oh. I did not do nothing. The doctor is arriving. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Can I shoot the doctor? That's what I've been wondering. Yeah, shut the gates. I'm opening a facility for you. This will be open for a limited time. You open up the shop. Let's go buy some stuff. faster. Chicken noodles. Chicken. I just watched this Spooderman movie. If you don't want to hear some spoilers, get the fuck out of here. When are you watching this? And so Spooderman, there is a scene where he poops his pants unlimited 1,000 times. And then he says, it smells very good. Oh yes, Daddy. Yeah, that's an actual scene in the movie. You should watch the movie. You should get tickets. That's a actual scene in the movie, bro. You should get it, bro. The movie, that's an actual scene. Spider-Man poops his pants and say, oh yeah, Daddy. That smells good. Alright, a normal patient. Patient paid. I don't care if you fade. No one will know. Round three. A car goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Round three. Hold on, me. Room three. I said. I should me speak Spanish. This is no. Did me room dress. Fever, low sugar. Fever, low sugar. Is low sugar actually a real thing, bro? Or is that just a thing for animals? Ramon! Where is? Look at my trick shot. It's very cool. That was an anomaly. Trick shot. Not lean. Trick shot. Bro, when will you die, bro? Bro, when will you die? When will you die? When will you die? Are you fucking immortal? When will you die, bro? Oh, you ugly ass freak. Now that's what you call being a good security. Die. You don't deserve to live. Alright. Dear. What do you have? I will check an occupation. Say your name. Bro, is your face drawn by a fucking 12-year-old, bro? Oh, yeah. Hit him. Hit him with the taser. Hit him with the taser. Oh. Alright. You got hit with the taser. The gunshot. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Roommate, mate. Right? Hey, rhymes roommate. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, hi, Rod. Hi, Metal Rod. Alright, I'm gonna try my best in this damn mini game. I hate doing this. I always find a way to kill this patient. And I always get fired. Scissors. Right, scissors. Those pills, I don't know what they do. We give a me. Oh, I cure you, Doc. I cure you. Oh, fix the camera. Is this going to take long? Stop rushing me, kind sir. You know what I do to impatient people? Even though I am impatient? I show no mercy. My appointment. Alright guys, since I can't reach it to myself, bye.